Today's adventure begins on top of Shenandoah Mountain at the border of Virginia and West Virginia. Take it, Meatball.
Me, a day adventure is a man. Me buying you, Daddy, today.
That's where we're going. High Knob Lookout Tower.
Oh, that guy goes
Pack it in, pack it out. Jump around. Jump around.
It looked like someone shot that down. That it kind of looked like it got shot down, Daddy.
Whole lot of ice. Trying to teach Meatball and Harper how to walk through ice.
I'm not a very good ice skater.
Is that a Squatch hut?
I
That looks pretty squatchy.
have my fighting move.
Look at that, Finn. Is that a Squatch hut? Looks pretty squatchy to me. Garbage. Yay. I don't need food.
I am hungry though.
Pretty cool campsite.
I think that shot came out tonight. I think that will come out tonight because we never seen him. I have ninja skills. Oh! Ooh! That's what made me broke that. I have my ninja skills. I have a ninja skills. I have ninja skills, Daddy. I bet I can take them down.
Made it to the road. Almost to the top.
I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I hate this mountain! I gotta shut this mountain down! I gotta shut this mountain down!
Not sure where this goes, but oh, there's guns on this side. Right there, right through the trees. High Knob Fire Tower.
Daddy, Daddy, you know who that guy, that green tiger? Who's that guy?
Green tiger.
Yeah, where she would talk and like the tiger, why the tiger?
Cringer
Yeah, you love
from
that.
He-Man.
Yeah, He-Man. Who's that green skull man?
Green Skull Man.
Yeah, that green guy.
Greedo in
Yeah.
Star Wars.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I like that guy.
you like Greedo.
Good and didn't die right when that wagon pushed him in the sand.
What?
Good that wagon didn't eat him head off.
The thing on Boba Fett?
Yeah, good that wagon didn't eat
That
him
he
up.
did eat him.
Not him head. Him that pushed him in the sand. But no, him that pushed him in the sand. Him that pushed him in the sand.
That wasn't Greedo though. Han Solo shot Greedo.
Why?
That was just a Rodium.
Why him did that?
Because Greedo was going to shoot him. So he shot him first.
I wish him have a lightsaber to block. Yeah, and shoot back.
What do you think of that, man?
Good. We are so high. And I am putting a height. Ah! I can have my food, trees, and my plane.
Made it. On top of the fire tower. These people can't read. West Virginia, as far as you can see. Out there, I believe that's Green Bank. I believe right there in the center of the screen is Green Bank. Some more faded Polaroids in the windows. It's kind of weird. The last time I was here, this place was full of flies. It's like the Amityville horror. You could hear them buzzing around inside. Oh, look, ladybugs. Millions of them. Wow, that's really gross. This is Virginia, as far as you can see. Our car is right down there somewhere. And that's a meatball. What you doing, meatball? That's the staircase you have to go up to get on top. That is scary. Scariest staircase ever. I can't imagine being assigned to come up here and stay and look for fires, but the Rangers used to stay in there. Whew. Crazy. The mountaintop is lava.
How I make it, Daddy? Whoa. Help me, Daddy.
Uh-oh. Ninja Turtles in the house. Raphael. Benchmark.
Handprint. And I did that handprint myself. I did that. Like I did that. I already did that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nice.
Bye, Fowler Tower. It's nice to see you again.
Daddy, look at my handprint like that. I did a handprint like that.
You did.
Did that. No, nice. I did that. I never been here, Daddy. You've been here for a long time ago.
Yep. Well, you've been here before because this is the way we came up.
Well, you've been here a long time ago, Daddy.
I did come here a long time ago. This is the part of the hike where Finn does game reviews. This time we're talking about Lego Superheroes Batman 2.
Yep, Hamilton cannot fly, but him can fly in the machine, like him car flying airplane, but like a bat car airplane. I gotta call it a bat car airplane because it can fly and ride.
Nothing like a peaceful, quiet hike. Right, Finn?
Yeah. You know, outer space is bigger than planets. Outer space is bigger than planets
Uh-huh.
because I'm already big. Because outer space is kind of big because outer space have a lot of, because you can get a lot of stars and the moon and sun and have everything. Like everything. And astronaut goes on moons. Astronaut go on moons.
It's starting to melt. It's getting sloppy.
Now you get ice. Hi-ya! So I didn't fall.
There is a bug on my backpack.
Like I had
Finally?
slide down like a skate. I had slide down. I had slide on down. Daddy, I had slide on down. Like I had slide on down.
Slide on down, Finn.
Yeah, I had slide on down. Whoa, that was so. Yeah, it kind of looked good.
So this trail is all kinds of rocky. And if you come after a snowfall, it's going to be all kinds of icy.
Daddy,
Ugh.
this looks like a nice spot.
Yeah, that does look like a nice rock.
This time don't blow it, Daddy.
And there's great views
This one,
of West Virginia.
it's almost kind of flat. Like you can skip it.
Almost the whole way up. I'm sure in summertime, though, the trees are much more full and some of the view is blocked. But it's not a bad trail. And it's not that long. So great for kids. It is rocky. It is really rocky. Do not try and take a wagon or a stroller along this trail because that would be a mistake. Been there. Done that. And that was a mistake. But yeah, fire tower is excellent as always. Finn, how was this trail?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Eating.
This is what we've dealt with from time to time. It's not bad. It's definitely not PCT bad.
Like we're walking with the ice.
But it is slick. And for somebody that's wearing shark shoes,
Me, then
yeah, it's really slick, huh?
I would see sharks can you walk on ice and not fall.
Do sharks walk on ice?
Nope, but I wish these sharks who can walk on this ice. I wish.
What kind of sharks would walk on ice?
Land sharks?
Land sharks?
Yeah, I think.
Wouldn't they be ice sharks?
Ice sharks? I think.
Made it back to the car.
That looks cool.
Blind Lemon Jefferson back there is tired and muddy. And we're gonna head home.
You better
Sounds like
fly.
fun.
Better fly. And
Do you mean like,
And what?
subscribe,
And the other stuff.
other stuff? Tell your friends?
And the other stuff.
Nothing.
What?
You're pointing at nothing.
I'm go- Later, when I edit and do all the other funky stuff, I'll put some words in where I point. Maybe I'll put like over here, and maybe subscribe over here.
Right. But you're still pointing to nothing.
But it's not there right now, but it will be later.
But you're pointing to nothing.
But it will be there later.
But it won't.
That's how it works, Harper. You put the words in later. They're not there right now, but they will be later.
But they're not there in reality.
It's hot in this car.
Yeah, it is.
Holy macaronis.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for coming along today. It was a pretty fun little hike. We will catch you on the flip flop.
What?
I want a backpack. I want to eat.
See ya. And say see ya.
See ya!